Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Sherelle and today I will be showing you how I got these juicy voluptuous wand curls with this hair that I got from Addwigs. If you are interested in this hair, the link will be down in the description box below. But yeah, this hair is kinky straight. I believe it's called kinky straight blowout. And I've wanted to try kinky straight hair in a wig for so long. I've tried clip-ins before, but my hair reverts so quickly that I had to find a different route. So I feel like wigs is definitely something I'll continue to do. So firstly, I just sectioned off my hair in manageable sections and used a grab clip to section the hair out of the way. I did this to make things a lot easier and make the process run a lot smoother. Now the second thing I do is detangle the hair. It's important when you try and do wand curls to make sure that the hair is fully detangled because that will give you the best results. And the product that I'm using to hold my hair in place is Got To Be Glued spray. This spray was absolutely amazing. If you do try this yourself, I do recommend that you don't spray a lot. I did only spray a little bit and it really, like when I say it held my curls, it really held my curls. This isn't actually the first time that I've done wand curls before. I did do it on my natural hair I think about a month ago, and I will leave the video up in iCards just in case you want to watch after this one. But after trying it on my natural hair, the curls didn't last long at all. So I thought that I would try it out on a wig because I know my wig can't get heat damage, but my hair can. And overall, I would consider this a success. I'm also going to leave this wand colour in the description box below just in case you wanted to try it out. And yeah, the overall process was really quick. It took about 10 minutes for me to do this whole wig. I thought it was going to take a lot longer, but it actually didn't. The hardest thing about this process was doing the back of my head because of course I can't see anything. And I kind of had to do a bit of guessing work. And my arms at the end of this were really hurting from having to hold them up that whole time. Just in case you're new to using wands like I was, all you have to do is wrap your hair around the wand. I held it for around 5 seconds and then I held the curl in place for 2 seconds and then I let go and then that's the curl. The look that I was going for was really big loose curls. I didn't really particularly want tight curls because that wasn't the look that I was going for. If you do wish to have tighter curls, all you have to do is take smaller sections. This wand actually has different attachments, so I am using the smallest attachment right now, but it has 4 more, so it came with 5 in total. I prefer to use the smallest one, especially if I'm using really large sections of hair because I didn't want the hair to be really extremely defined. I wanted to brush out the curls in the end and make it look like a really natural loose wave. Now about this hair, I had 4 bundles of 18-inch. I only managed to fit 3 on the wig cap, and as you can see the hair is so full. I think if I put 4 it would have been a little bit too much, so I do have a spare bundle. I have in an 18-inch closure as well. Now, once I finished curling all of my hair, it took about 10 minutes. This is what the hair looked like. I went ahead and separated the curls just to give it a more natural look. And that Got To Be glue really held those curls together. It did make the hair slightly stiff, but I did try not to spray too much because I didn't want it to be all the way stiff because I know how strong Got To Be glue can be. But it wasn't extremely stiff that it just totally ruined the hairstyle. After loosening the curls, I just fluffed out the roots with my fingers and then I took a brush and brushed through the curls even more to make them look a little bit more natural. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you really enjoyed this video because I really enjoyed making it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to see more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!